This podcast contains strong language which may be offensive to some people.
Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here is today's quote. I'm not a princess. I don't need saving. I'm a queen. And I've got this shit handled. Yeah, you do. You don't need to be saved. You've got this shit down. You don't need to go about relying on anyone else here because you just go and do it yourself. Now, don't be waiting for no Prince Charming. He's probably stuck up a tree or something. Go and do your thing. Make memories, leave people thinking way after seeing you, and ride off on your own horse into the sunset. You go, girl.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.